Good morning and hola a todos y bienvenidos. We're going to be have the pleasure of sampling a couple items from Taco Bell. They call a main item and a peripheral one. Let's see what we got here. Got a bunch of accoutrements, some paper napkins, a couple of eating utensils, more napkins, some sauce, and let's get to another eating utensil, more sauce still, and here we're getting to where we need to be. And a different type of sauce as well. This is the fire stuff, and this is the mild, which I like. So let's just take a look and see what we have here. And this is all, I believe, vegetarian, by the way. So this will be what it looks like. It feels pretty heavy. It's nice and warm. And that's that. We'll taste that in a second. Let's see what's in the box here. Oh, what an item for a Sunday football feast meal. Okay, let's take a look. And this one here is kind of light. It's got an empty bag, but it has these two like brown ballish kind of things. I'm gonna taste one right now. Maybe I should get a little sauce and kind of dip it in the sauce. I said I like we've got hot, we've got fire, we've got the Diablo. Where's my mild? Here it is. There's the mild. So we'll see if we can open this up and put a little on there. There. Just tear it from the top, the easy way to get. Put a little sauce on there and see how we go. This one that's got kind of a sugar coating. Tastes kind of like like a crawler or something, a piece of bakery. So that apparently is supposed to go with watching football. And I'm going to avail myself of one of the many paper napkins that came with it. And let's take a look at this and see what this tastes. Boy, this looks scrumptious. I'm going to pour a little sauce on this one too. Maybe a little. Okay, got the sauce, got the napkin, and we're finally ready to go to see what this tastes like. Don't even know what it is yet, but it looks good. Mmm. And I'm told this is vegetarian, so I'll give you a little look-see. And this cover wrapping here is nice and soft. And boy, this hits the spot. If you're hungry, this thing is nice and heavy. So you know if you're hungry and you need a meal, this looks like it's going to provide it. Don't know what's in it, but if I had to guess, I would say this is a burrito. I'm gonna just another bite just to get a little more acquainted with it. Mm. This is something I would recommend, even if you're not a vegetarian. If you're hungry, this will do it. Maybe one more bite. And again, you have kind of an enormous flexibility with the sauce. Where did I put those? Okay, there's the hot, and there's the black one is the Diablo, and that says that's 2. Didn't happen. Oh. At any rate, I think that's the stuff for the real heavy-duty people that need. Here's fire for the people who need fire. Here's hot just for the people that like things maybe a little bit extra to get the idea across. But this Diablo business, that's a whole nother. I'm not trying that out for you. You can figure that out on your own. And depending upon how adventuresome you are, see if I can hold up all 4 of these. And I think the mild was the only one in there. So we got these plus the mild. Let's see if I could put these in order. Yeah. So go like this, this, and this. So the imaginary mild, which I've already opened. Oh, here it is in reality. I got that up right side up? No. So the mild, the hot, the fire. Oh, I got 2 hots here. Okay. So here. Mild, hot, fire, and Diablo. I figure there's something there for every taste. And again, this is, I don't know why I'm using the same napkin. I got plenty of them. So, one thing while you're there, get yourself some napkins if you need them. Put them in and get yourself some sauce to the kind of that's to your liking. So I recommend this. So I can't. There's nothing in this, especially. There's nothing there I don't like, and everything I do like. I tend to like things plain, and this is kind of in a way plain. But you can make it exciting with those aforementioned sauces. And here's another one. Here's another mild one snuck in there. Okay, so I'm going to probably use that mild up, and then again the 2 bakery-like items that you probably don't need to put sauce on them, but I just did. So it's kind of you got yourself like a main item and a peripheral dessert type thing. And I think I've pretty much exhausted this discussion about these items. And here's what the bag looks like. And it holds a lot of sauce. So you get your own sauce. You put it in, or more sauce still. And then this other box here is a much lighter box, and it says football on the front. So everybody, especially on a Sunday, and you can see the state football helmet there. And so I'm going to sign off for now on this, and I hope you enjoy your burrito and dessert from Taco Bell.